Hello everyone. I want to use this website members.davidmolnar.com to illustrate a dashboard that's a little bit unique. So David Molnar has a set of courses, but they also have their presets club. So presets are downloadables that you put into a piece of software, and it allows you to modify software. And they have a presets club that gives you a credit a month, and you can download ones out of their library. So with that, let me log in as a member who has recently joined and now has access to an initial set of presets. So when you log in, you arrive on their course page. So here you get access to courses. In this case, this person has no courses, so all of these are buy nows, but they have access to the presets club, and you can access it either here or through the presets club in the menu. Now when you arrive in here, it tells you, hey, you currently have this many credits. You can click here if you want to buy some more. This takes you to a page where you can buy presets for $15 a piece. Now, because I just became a member, I have this introductory video. And this allows you to, hear David explain how the program works, how the presets work, and all of that. Now, what we've done, since you'll have read this and maybe you don't want to have this video here anymore, we allow you to click here and remove it. So going forward, you don't have these instructions that are just kind of redundant, because now you know how it works. Now, these are the presets that you have access to. And then this is their library of available presets. And every month or so, they add a couple. So this is a growing collection of things. Now, if you click on here, this one is not really a preset. This is like a quick start instructions. And then this is one. But I can go up and let's say I'm interested in this one. The regular price is $29, and I can get it for a credit. So I'm going to click here, and this is a quasi sales page. So this explains what it is that's included in this preset, and it gives you an opportunity here and here to grab it. Now I'll go back to the dashboard. Since I have a positive number of credits, I can go in and gain access to it. So I'm going to click here, and this is an "Are you sure?" Because once you grab a preset, you can't give it back. You basically spent your credit, and there's really no refund. So I could just click here and close, and then this takes me back to the page before, or I click here. And this time I'm going to go and grab it for myself. So yes, I want the preset. And then this enables me to grab it. Now, if you were paying attention before, you would have seen that this is the same URL, but this page is intelligent, and it knows if you are given the access, now you can download it, and all the sales information that was on here disappears. So I'm going to go back to the presets so that we can see how the dashboard was affected. And you see that now the action sports is available here, and it's no longer available down here. So I'm going to do this one more time. I'll grab this one on birding. And I still have one more credit, so I'm going to click on here. Oh, so we do have a calculation going on, and it takes just a few minutes for us to calculate what their new balance is. There's an Infusionsoft campaign running in the background, and until this doesn't do its thing, I can't do another one. So I'm just going to pause for just a second, waiting for that to happen. Okay, so I waited just a few minutes, and now they have the credit. Our assumption here is that people are typically only going to have one credit a month, so most people aren't going to have a collection of credits and are going to be buying them back to back. So let me go here. I'm going to go to birding, and now I'm going to make this one my own. I'm going to grab the preset, and now I have access to it. So This one here now has, a video tutorial, and it has the downloads. And if I go back to the presets, you'll see that now the birding one is here, and it's no longer available under the available presets section. So this is a demo of how it works. I'm going to record a second video that's going to show you how this works.